Hello everybody. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating how to perform DRC analysis in OrCAD X Capture. To perform the DRC, you will have to select .tsn in the hierarchy window. So once the .tsn is selected, you can go to PCB and select Design Rule Check. So in this, you can see the first option says online DRC. So if you want the online DRCs to be turned on, that is nothing but whenever you're creating or making a circuit, in that time only it will highlight you the DRCs, so you can resolve the DRCs and continue with the circuit design. If you want to turn it on or off, you can just check it out in the online DRC tab. For now, let it be on, and then once the online DRC is set, you can go for rule setup. So under rule setup, we have options to check the electrical rules, physical simulation, and custom DRC. If you want all the rules to be turned on or checked out, you can just check it out. Or else if you want it to be customized for yourself, you can just check out the things that you want to check only with respect to the electrical rules or physical rules or simulation rules. So you can check it according to your requirement and click on apply. After rule setup, you can go to ERC matrix. So in the ERC matrix, you can have the option to highlight the issues as errors, warnings, or you can just skip it. So let's say if you have some issues with respect to the bidirectional input, so you can mark it as an warning if you want that to be highlighted as warning. If you want to be highlighted that issue as an error, you can just click on the same thing again. Now it shows an error. But if you don't want that issue to be highlighted, you can just click on it. So now it'll be blank. So in this way, you can customize the rule sets and issues how they should be flagged in your design. So once you customize this ERC matrix, you can select apply and then click on run. So once you start the DRCs, you can see the errors, whatever the errors are there in the schematic, that will be flagged in the DRC tab. Also, you can view it in the session log. So once you click on yes, so under session log, you can see whatever the errors that are seen in the design will be highlighted for you. So it says PCB footprint is missing from the R4. So if I double click on the R4 component, so PCB footprint is empty. So I'll just mention the footprint here and then save this. Apply. Yes. And then I'll close it. So now I'll rerun the DRC. Yes, now you can see. So for the R4, now you can see the DRC has been um, resolved, and now the DRC is not highlighted anymore. So in this way, you can check the DRCs either in the session log tab or in the DRCs tab. If you just click on that particular DRC, so that particular DRC will be highlighted for you. So in this way, you can check with it errors and resolve those and rerun the DRCs to resolve all the DRCs before going to the netlist.